Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice, and this is the ROG Zephyrus G14. So ROG has redefined how gaming laptops should look like yet again. The company announced the launch of the new ROG Zephyrus G14 a couple of weeks ago, and we have the device for unboxing and review at Gadget Voice Labs. So let's get on with it. Inside the box, you get the laptop and battery charger along with some paperwork that includes the quick start guide and the warranty information. The ROG Zephyrus G14 is the first laptop to feature the 7nm AMD Ryzen CPU, which offers good performance and power efficiency settings. This is also the company's smallest gaming laptop, featuring a 14-inch display with a 60Hz refresh rate. The display also offers WQHD resolution at 2560 by 1440 pixels, and it is also Pantone validated for content creators. The overall design and build quality is excellent, something we can expect from a brand like ASUS. The G14 is made of magnesium alloy with a honeycomb structure, which gives you a premium look and feel. It measures just 17.9mm thin and weighs around 1.6 kg. In terms of connectivity options, you do get a bunch of I/O ports. On the right edge, you get the USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C and two USB 3.2 Type-A Gen 2 ports, along with the Kensington lock. On the left edge, you get the power port, an HDMI port, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort 1.4 and the 3.5mm audio mic combo jack. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by AMD Renault Ryzen 9 4000 series CPU. The graphics on the Zephyrus G14 is handled by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 with Max-Q design. You also get 16GB of DDR4 memory on the device, along with 1TB of storage space. The laptop comes with Windows 10 pre-installed and is powered by a 76Wh battery. You also get a 65W battery charger inside the box, which allows you to charge the laptop to 100% in about 2.5 hours. You also get around 10 hours of battery life on the Zephyrus G14. This laptop is being touted to be the first gaming laptop to integrate a fingerprint sensor. It is also the first gaming laptop to use a single sign-on power button. The laptop also supports wireless networking with Intel Wi-Fi 6 Gig+ technology, which is also known as 802.11ax. On the top edge of the keyboard, you get dedicated volume and mic buttons, along with another hotkey to invoke the Armoury Crate. The Armoury Crate is a one-stop app that lets you connect and configure a range of ROG products. You can also customize features on your laptop, check out game deals, register products, read ROG news, and so on. During our review period, the ROG Zephyrus G14 performed consistently. There were no ghosting, lags, or stutters during our gaming sessions. Since the laptop featured the EROGLIFT hinge design, cooling of the internals is not an issue. The ROG Zephyrus G14 is priced at 6,999 dirhams. If you are on the lookout for a powerful yet compact and light gaming laptop that can also be used for content creation on the go, the ROG Zephyrus G14 could be the one for you. If you like the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.